Good morning, everybody. We are in science. It is day 4, so it's Thursday, April 30th. Your page should look like this. We're going to be reading our learning target for our opening for our mini lesson. I still want you guys to try to get that chapter review. A lot of you guys are saying, no, you didn't download it. Can you please try to download it today? Or copy the answers down. Are you at least copying this work and taking notes, okay? For our work period, you guys are going to watch this video. And for our closing, you need to take notes at home. I'll be asking to see your notes at the Zoom session tomorrow. So our learning target, I can construct an explanation of the relationship between air pressure, fronts, and air masses, and how they impact the formation of meteorological events such as thunderstorms and tornadoes. So your mini lesson, showing you guys again where to find this review page. You just click activities, assignments, and it's right here in our assignments, guys. It's right here. You just click on it and it'll open right up, okay? So let's go back to our page. All right. So for today, yesterday we wrote down 3 of our answers, 1, 2, and 3 of our review. Today we're going to be doing 4, 5, and 6. So I'll obviously show you guys as we go through this what to write down. So let's get started. So number 4, what is the difference between lightning and thunder? Okay, well, these are 2 excerpts from our chapter book. Lightning, as a cloud grows bigger, as a cloud grows bigger, parts of it begins to develop electrical charges. The upper parts of the cloud tend to become positively charged, and the lower parts become negatively charged. When the charges get big enough, electricity flows from one area to the other. Electricity may also flow between the clouds and the ground, and these electrical currents are lightning. Okay? Whereas thunder, it says you may have probably seen large lightning bolts that travel between the clouds and the ground. When lightning moves through the air gets very hot. The hot air expands rapidly. As it expands, it makes the air vibrate. The vibrations release energy in the form of sound waves. This results in thunder. So this is all I want you guys to write down. This right here. Number 4. Lightning is a large electric discharge. That's what you need to know. Lightning is a large electric discharge that occurs between 2 oppositely charged surfaces. Thunder is the sound that results from the rapid expansion of air along a lightning strike. Now let's do number 5. What is the difference between a barometer and an anemometer? I put what they are. The anemometer measures wind speed. The barometer measures atmospheric pressure, okay? So look, this is all you have to write down right here, guys. That's it. Write it down. Number 5. A barometer is an instrument used to measure air pressure. Air pressure is in red because it's important. An anemometer is an instrument used to measure wind speed, okay? Number 6. What is the difference between cold fronts and warm fronts? This is a cold front. A cold front forms when cold air mass moves under a warm air mass. The cold air pushes the warm air up. The cold air mass replaces the warm air. Cold fronts can move quickly and bring heavy rain. When a cold front has passed, the weather is usually cold. Warm fronts. A warm front forms when warm air mass moves in and it covers the cold air mass, okay? The warm air replaces the cold air and it makes it warm. All I want you guys to write down for number 6 is this. Cold fronts make the air cold and stormy weather. Warm fronts make the air warmer, okay? I want you guys to make sure you're taking notes at home. I want to see these notes tomorrow in our Zoom session. Thanks, guys.